If you're shopping for a used Nissan Altima from 2013 to 2019, you're looking at one of the most common mid-size sedans on the road. They're affordable, fuel-efficient, and easy to find. But here's the truth most listings won't tell you. Not every model year is created equal. Some years can be reliable daily drivers, and others can quietly turn into money pits. Let's break down the Altima years you may want to think twice about before signing anything. First up, 2013. This was the first year of a major redesign, and historically, first-year redesigns are risky. The biggest concern here is the CVT transmission. Owners frequently reported shuddering, hesitation, delayed acceleration, and in some cases, total transmission failure well before 100,000 miles. Replacing a CVT isn't cheap. It can easily run several $1,000s. If the 2013 hasn't had documented transmission work or fluid changes, it's a gamble. Next, 2014 and 2015. While Nissan made some improvements, these years still carried over many of the same CVT concerns. You'll also see complaints about premature brake wear, electrical glitches, and steering vibration at highway speeds. These aren't catastrophic issues on their own, but combined with transmission uncertainty, they can add up quickly for a budget buyer. 2016 is a bit of a mixed bag. It's not as problematic as the earlier years, but transmission complaints still appear. Think of it as a caution year rather than an automatic no. If you're considering a 2016, maintenance history becomes extremely important, especially proof of regular CVT fluid service. Now let's talk 2017. This year saw fewer transmission complaints compared to 2013 through 2015, but it wasn't completely free of issues. Some owners reported infotainment screen failures, backup camera malfunctions, and occasional engine mount problems. These aren't catastrophic issues on their own, but they're things to inspect closely. 2018 and 2019 are generally the strongest of this generation. Nissan had refined many earlier issues and reliability ratings improved. That doesn't mean they're perfect. CVTs still require diligent maintenance, but statistically, these years tend to have fewer major complaints and better long-term ownership satisfaction. So if you're ranking the risk from highest to lowest, 2013 sits at the top of the avoid list, followed closely by 2014 and 2015. 2016 is conditional, 2017 is moderate risk, and 2018 through 2019 are the safest bets within this range. No matter which year you consider, always check for transmission service records, listen for shuddering during acceleration, and pay attention to how the car shifts at low speeds. A smooth test drive today can save you thousands tomorrow. The Nissan Altima can absolutely be a solid used car, but choosing the right year makes all the difference between a dependable commuter and an expensive lesson.